glad you could join me today. Today we'll be drawing Bo Peep from Toy Story 4. So continuing with Toy Story 4, let's go. So for this tutorial I have my paper in portrait mode, and the tools that you require are a pencil, a eraser and different types of black ink pens for inking later on. And if you wonder about the tools that I use, I have a link in the description down below. If you want to check that out. Start. And by the way, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sai Siddharth. In this channel, I will be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. So let's start. Alright. Slanting center line. Don't see that often. Going out. So the center line is more inclined to the left or the right of Bo Peep. Just giving it a nice curve. Like that. And like that. One like that. And from here to here like that. So let's just go into the details for the face. Just zooming in. Okay, so let's draw the nose. The nose is just not that much details, just a small triangle continues to the top. That, and just goes till there. And let's draw the eye line. So the eye line is right there. Try to get the shapes as perfect as you can. That will be better. So pretty big eyes. It's sort of like an oval. Pupil with a tiny highlighted spot. And then just some eyelashes. Just give that. And then let's just go over to this side. Again, doing the same thing. Try to make it as symmetrical as you can. Just trying that. Again, the eyeball is more off to the facing the camera. That's better. Okay, and then just again some more eyelashes. Okay, and then let's just draw a lip. So a pretty long lip, not too long. In my reference photo, actually it's from the poster. She's somewhat frowning. Let's just try to give a gentle smile at least. Not like that. As I told, we're just drawing the rough things. One more like that. So as I told, rough things. So let's erase it. We got that. Now let's just start by building up from what we have. So that's a good place to put that cheek. Goes till there. Okay, and right here. Okay, that's a good place to put that. And that's good. We had our rough lines. Let's do it for real this time. Okay, now let's just draw the eyebrow. So the eyebrow is right there, pretty thin, all over. That, and again as I told, the hair, there, like that. Okay, and then all over again here. right there. So no detailing layer, just one line, that's good, two lines actually. Okay, and then right there, one line like that, two lines right there, and like that, and one like that. So that's the face. That's all there is for the face. Just felt like we could. The face is a bit short, I guess. I think so. My reference picture. So we're just going to be making it a bit more longer. That's what changes are. That's good, I guess. And that's good. And then the neck, thin neck. Here and here. One line like that. Sorry, a line, this a rectangle and a rectangle. Right, so right here, just let's draw a small rectangle, somewhat like surrounding it. It's like a rose, a plastic one. Okay, and then just from that, let's do the collars. There. Just dotted lines on the inside, like that. Okay, so right now, from here, so just imagine it going like that, and going like that. Okay, so we're going to be ending it right there. So let's just continue with our, right, imagining that it comes like that, and then the arms comes, the body comes right there, goes in like that, just imagining it like that, and this comes in like that, so for the back of the body. Then imagining the other arm right there, just imagine it like that. So from this, let's just give some more wrinkles right there. It sort of overlaps, so imagine there's a hand right here. Give somewhat like a band-aid. Her hand is broken. Okay, and then again some wrinkles. And on this side, so as I told, you just bring that right over here, that. So wrinkles. Imagining that here's the bicep. The arm comes out like that. Still goes slanted, if you can see. Goes out like that. So imagine there's sort of like a cane, a stick perhaps. Just two lines like that for that. And right here it just goes sort of like a question mark. So imagine it like that. Like that. And right here, again just few lines, 1, 2, 3. That's indicating the fingers. 1, 2, 3. That, and just some knuckles. Okay, and then the thumb right there. And right here, draw some circles. I think that's for the grip, better grip. I don't know. And the hand sort of goes over it, so you don't see that right part right there. Okay, you don't see that either. So we note that. Wrinkles right there. And again, let's come over here. As I told, right here we had the arm. Okay. So So right here, imagine two lines going like that, and then just some sort of like flower patterns with a circle inside each of them, and then just like that, sort of like bricks. I'm not going to be doing that, just give some circles, that's better. That, like that, and then right here, wrinkles here and there, and at the back of the cape sort of thing, two lines like that. And I think we covered everything. So yeah, let's just cross hatches right here. That's pretty good. I think we are completed. Yeah, that's good. Yes, so thank you for watching, and if you want to see my other Toy Story drawing tutorials, click right here to see that. If you wanted to see my latest video, most recent video, click right here. If you wanted to see my previous video, click right here. And if you wanted to subscribe to my channel, click right here. And by the way, if you wanted to see all the tools that I use, click the link in the description to see all of them. And again, signing off for now. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace.